Anson here over at Ivey Forge. So really quick, I'm going to do an unboxing and then talk about what I'm actually going to be doing this weekend. And I just want to throw this up really quick. I'm not going to do any editing or anything. Just be able to throw it up. Alright, so first off, this is some type of, it's like a bolster plate or something. I don't know. I got this a couple years back whenever I picked up my railroad spikes. Back when I was actually first getting into blacksmithing, and I was going through. I didn't really know the pricing of steel or anything, and I actually paid way too much for the railroad spikes. No, I did not go pick them off of the railroad track, and that's legal in most states, so don't do that. All right, I did pick them up from a gentleman that lives here in the same town I live in. All right, and I picked that up as well. So what I'm going to do with this is try to make a dog's head hammer, okay? I am going to heat this up, get this eye drifted out, and then I'm going to take the thickness of this and bring it down and try to make this a square instead of a rectangle, alright? And then I'll get a handle put on it. I actually have some special wood that I'm going to use for this, since it is technically my first hammer, and this is actually what I want to make, is hammers. So I'm going to make this one a little special. Alright, so let's get on to the unboxing. Alright, this is from Jason over at Shamrock Forge. For his last giveaway video, I won the set of dice. And I'll shoot the link to the video for that. I've already seen what they look like, and actually they're really nice. I just haven't physically seen them in person. Wow. Alright, it's got that nice deep edge on there. All lubricated up. It's awesome. This is made from a billet cable Damascus that he had made. Appreciate it, Jason. Love him, brother. And hopefully you get a chance to win one of mine in the future. Alright? So they feel great in the hand. And awesome. Alright, so we'll catch you again this weekend. Please share this video and follow along. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And later I'll shoot up a couple video links. If you're watching this in the future, they're already going to be there. Alright, catch you on the next one. Bye.